Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to not showing the music on your Instagram story. So we're gonna start now. Now you will go to Instagram. Then open the Your Story section. Choose any pictures or videos for you to put on your story. After choosing the picture, now you will tap on the music button. Now you will choose any songs that you want to use as the background music. As you can see on the screen, there are many small buttons for you to choose the way to display the style of music that you'd attach on your story. So if you don't want to show the music, so you will choose the first button with the X icon on it. It shows the words music only. So it means that the viewers can see your story with the background music, but without the lyrics or the name of that music. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.